Have you lost your vehicle title and need a replacement? Let's walk through the steps to replace a lost vehicle title in Texas. First, complete the application for a certified copy of title, also known as Form VTR 34. Next, provide a copy of your valid government-issued ID. Pay the replacement title fee, which is $2 by mail or $5.45 in person. Finally, submit the application to the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles by mail or visit a local Texas DMV Regional Service Center. Check the Texas DMV website for current processing times, and consider expedited services if you need the title quickly. Make sure you have everything in order to get your replacement title. Visit our website for more tips and guidance.